So hello guys, welcome in this video. I wanted to show you how to make money using Telegram. So at first I'm going to show you the screen of my phone so that you can see how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to start screen recording and you can see it on the screen. Welcome to this platform. This is a new platform where you're going to mine free coins for a certain time. Then it will be converted into real money at a certain point. So this is the app. It's called Yugi Clicks. This app, you can mine free coins by watching ads and doing other tasks. So I'm going to open this. You can see I'll be leaving the link down in the description of this video. So if you want to join it, you must have Telegram application. As you can see on the screen, you must be having it, and you have to register a new account. So this is how you do it. So once you click in that link, it will bring you direct to Telegram, to this page, and it will click it. So you'll click start button so that you get this message. So once you receive this message, you have to click in open Yugi Click apps. So you can see it is opening up. This is its dashboard, and you can see that I have a total of 2,300 coins, and they are equivalent to $2.3. So here, the more you watch ads, the more you make. You mine. The more I watch ads, is the more you mine these coins, and in the future it will be converted into your money, and you'll be able to withdraw it at the time of the airdrop. So let me show you how it works and how you earn money. So you can just watch ad. You can watch a simple ad like this. For example, you can play it. It spends like 2 seconds, 3 seconds, or 5 seconds. So you can see that this is the ad, as you can see it on the screen. So it is ending. Once it ends, so I'm going to click in X. You can see that I have earned 100 coins and they are added to my balance, and the rate so far is let me click in profile. You can see here the rate that 1,000 coins are equivalent to $1 at this time, but it haven't yet launched. So once the season 1 ends, you'll be able to withdraw money with the rate. So here you can see that I can earn from ads. Also, I can earn from doing tasks from the task section. So these are the tasks. You can join their socials, you can do tasks here and make money. So that is how you earn. Also, you can invite friends. When you invite a friend, you earn 200%. You earn 100% of what he or she earns. So once he earns 100 coins, you also earn 100 coins. So that is how it works. So you can invite more friends here and earn from them. So that is all about this Yugi Clicks application. So in the task section, you'll be able to join their group. This is their group, or you can join it direct here. You can join their channel so that you can be updated on their information. So another thing here, you can join their chats so that you can share all the information you want to ask, like the listing date, anything you want to ask about the Yugi Clicks. So you can find it in these areas. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you for watching the video. You can subscribe, like, and hit the bell button. So thank you.